Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Now we look at the WHO, and we are going to, that is commonly the World Health Organization. So it is, what is it? It is specialized and it is non-political health agency, and this is of the United Nations. Next, the headquarters is going to be in the Geneva. That is it's in the Switzerland. So when did it come into force? So it came into force in April 7th, it is 1948. So what is the aim or the objective? The aim of objective is to attainment by all people of the highest level of health. So you attain highest level of health by all people. This is the tagline or the aim or objective. Now let's look at the structure of WHO. The structure of WHO, there is a World Health Assembly, and there is an executive board, and also the secretarist. Now let's look at the work of WHO. So what is the work of WHO? The WHO, they have to prevent and control. So prevent and control specific diseases. Then there is also the development of comprehensive health services. So develop of the comprehensive health services. Next, they focus on the family health as well as the environment health. They also focus on the health statistics, the biomedical research. Then there is also the health literature and the information. Then there is also the cooperation with the other organizations. Now let's look at some regional offices of the WHO. So let's look at the regional offices of the WHO. So here, in terms of the Southeast Asia office, this is present in the New Delhi, that is in India. This is the Southeast Asian office. Next, we look at the African regional office. So this is in case of the Brazzaville. This is in the Republic of the Congo. So it is in the Republic of Congo, that is the Brazzaville. Then as the regional office, this is all the Americas is the Washington DC. Then moving on to the European regional head. In terms of the European regional head office, it's in the Copenhagen, that is in Denmark. Then looking at Eastern Mediterranean office, this is present in the Alexandria in Egypt. This is Eastern Mediterranean office. Then looking at the Western Pacific regional office, regional office. This will be present in the case of the Manila, that is the Philippines. This is the Western Pacific, Manila in Philippines. So we need to know in the SERAO, that is a Southeast Asian Pacific office, Southeast Asia Pacific is present in New Delhi. This is important. And there are some activities like the malaria eradication. So it is involved in activities such as the malaria eradication. Then comes the TB, that's tuberculosis, and this tuberculosis is of the control. And the rural health service, and they are the activities commonly conducted here. They are the common activities which are conducted here. you.